What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am still not feeling well. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram or anything, but I've been posting that I haven't been feeling well. But today I'm still gonna do a video. We got the homie here, Chris. Check him out. His link is in the description below. Alan_spec. Alan Spec. His description will be in the box. Just hit the box, hit the button. Go follow him, like his videos. Cool dude. That's his whip right there. Feel me? Fastest single cam in South Florida.
Oh god. Why you got lying like that?
I ain't lying.
You ain't alright.
But yeah, man, go give him a follow. Today he actually got a surprise for me. He brought me a cluster because he got tired of seeing the automatic cluster that I have. So he brought me a retrofitted, customized SI stock cluster, bro.
Shout out to my boy Sean for providing it. Oh shit.
But yeah, bro. So we finna change the cluster in the car today. He said the only thing that should not work is the mileage, which I don't really care. It has 170,000 miles.
How much is that?
About the same or a little bit less.
Less, 159.
159, bro.
I got 279,000 miles.
Hurt.
And that's
You know,
real
so
those miles are real.
let's get to work, huh? Pretty much. I got this basil or whatever you want to call it. I think I got it for like $10 from a homie from like way back. But I didn't screw the screws in here, so all I had was like the steering up and it would hold it in place. So
Oh, that's how you had it in place?
pretty much. So like with the white band, it's gonna be easy because all I need to do is just pull it off. You feel me? But
okay.
this one is like bolted in, like proper bolted in. So this one might be a pain to get off because the thing that I have behind it hurt.
Oh snap. Yeah, that's back there.
Yeah. Focus, man. Damn. Anyways, we got everything out of the way. I already unbolt. There are 2 screws here. So there one right here, one here, one here, one here. They're all Phillips for me. I don't know what it will be for you. So we do that and then we try to pull the cluster forward. I can't. I gotta. Yeah, bro.
Hold up. It's getting caught up on here. Like that. Like that.
There you go. You just pull it forward, unclip all the clips that you got.
They're blue, yellow, green, the blue one up top,
And another green one over here.
Come on.
See, I got the
Blue one is kind of hard right here.
Alright, hold it. That's why I told you I need it flat. So it can make life easy. Take something out.
You gotta remember these cars are old, so be careful with the clips too.
Yeah.
If they're giving you a hard time, like right here, don't get upset, because then if you break the clips, they don't go back in.
Facts. And yeah, you got the cluster out. Automatic cluster, trash out cluster.
Yeah.
Trash. Without a cluster.
It should be right here.
It's got bolts.
You might want to plug it in before you set it up to make sure the bulb doesn't work, if you gotta switch over any. What is this?
This is damage right here.
Hmm?
This is damage right here.
Oh, what is that?
I don't know.
I think that's up the top.
Yeah.
Why is this here? What plugs? Yeah, I guess we just transfer this over. The white
Yeah.
box, or nothing's supposed to be on that one.
Oh shit.
You see it?
Let's see if it works, because I don't know, like with this thing here.
Yeah.
I don't know. So, you just gotta see. Plug them up and see, bro. Plug them up and see.
Yellow. This a blue one, go right up here. There it is. Alright.
It works.
How much fuel did you have? Does the fuel gauge work?
The fuel gauge is going up.
It's going up.
Yeah.
Turn on the light to see if lights come on. Let's see if your dimmer is on.
It is on. A little bit.
Fire kitchen. Probably gotta give her some gas. Everything works though.
It's at 85, bro.
85.
Yeah.
You trying to hit Alright. Yeah, fuel gauge went up. Yep, everything works. Yeah, I think that little green plug was for the automatic cluster for the engagement of the gear. Yeah.
So for now, I'm gonna tighten everything back up.
How was the bulbs in your old one?
I have no idea.
I was gonna say if
we could just get the LEDs, or if it doesn't work out.
I was gonna say, since you're right there, the bulbs just twist and turn. The little black things are the bulbs. Just twist and turn and pop them in if you know your bulbs are good in the other one.
Yeah, but I think these are on too.
Oh, okay.
I think.
I mean, yeah, they're on. Yeah, you can see it's lighting up from out here. They're just dull. Oh, that's my water.
Cause it's light. It's light out. But yeah, they work.
Okay. All right.
All right. So let's just.
So basically reverse, just push it back in there and put in the 4 Phillips and put your bezel back on, and we'll be back with that. Here it is, guys. Everything in. Everything's working. All the lights come on, indicator, fuel gauge works. I guess once he gets the car warm up, we'll see if the temperature gauge works.
The temperature gauge doesn't work right
Oh, it doesn't work? Okay, well, temperature gauge won't work.
I don't have it connected.
He doesn't have it connected. Y'all saw it revved earlier. Got air fuel ratio working. What's this one again over here?
They're both air fuel.
Air fuel both, and then this cool one that don't do nothing apparently.
I just need to connect. I just need to get a sound screen so I can connect the oil pressure.
There was a bunch of wires under here, but he just cleaned it up. So the man's a wire specialist too, man. Jack of all trades, bro. Jack of all trades. That's what's up.
I'm gonna start it up, and I'm gonna start it up. Cold start on E85.
Cold start on E85. I keep forgetting you're on E now. I can smell it. Smell good. Must be nice to have power steering.
I don't have power steering.
You don't have power steering?
No.
Oh, okay. I feel better now. Yeah, everything works. Light comes on, high beams come on, indicators. What about this hazard? All that works. So I think he's gonna give it a drive around just to make sure
The speedometer works.
the speedometer works, and that should be it. How you so? How you zoom in? Okay. So far, so good. Whole car vibrate like that, dog. Like, I feel like I'm getting my back scratched.
For real?
Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ, nigga! Watch them. Woo! Is that a Supra?
So I'm back home. Chris went home. I just wanted to kind of show you that the light does work. I do have to get brighter bulbs because I personally don't like how dark it is. So two things, I'm either going to take the bulbs from the old cluster that I have, you can't see it right there, but I'll take it from there and replace it, or I'll just get the LED ones. So yeah, I want to give a big shout out to Chris. He pretty much came by, helped me record, pretty much took over the video today, and I'm thankful, bro. Thanks for the cluster, thanks for all your help. As I said, guys, go check out his channel. I can't really speak too loud because my throat hurts. I think I've had the flu. I have the flu, so I'm trying to recover. But if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment your thoughts. About the Supra. The Supra is making power. I'm bone stock. You cannot expect me to run a Supra with a stock K-swap car on open headers. But it was fun. The guy was pretty cool, pretty chill guy. Yeah, so again, like the video, comment, share the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.